5 top-rated software development trend you will see in 2020. 2019 was a great year for software development industry as software and digitalization are affecting every sector. The trend will continue and will impact the world even more in 2020. In order to survive in this unpredictable industry of constant innovations and advancements, it is mandatory to match its pace. A smart business person not only avails the services of software development but also weighs every technology's pros and cons. It is estimated that global IT spending will reach $4,018 billion by 2021. Below is a graph that represents the findings of Statista from the year 2005 to 2021. Software trend number 1: more dependence on AI technology. It's been a long time since the onset of artificial technology in software development services. But the ways of its adoption are revolving and enhancing every year drastically. Most businesses are adopting this technology in their software to offer a little extra to their customers. In a recent survey, 84% of respondents said that they think the implementation of AI can provide them with a competitive edge over competitors. This technology, along with its related technologies like machine learning and deep learning, has numerous applications in every industry. Custom software developers are not leaving any stone unturned to introduce new ways of AI adoption in business. It is predicted that 2020 will see some amazing ways of AI implementation in web app development. Chatbots have become a new trend included in every app or website. Chatbots, AI technology has replaced human customer service executives. In fact, AI is all about reducing human involvement and more dependence on machines. 2020 will be a year of more chatbots, accurate customer behavior analysis, and less human resource appointments. AI is making every task automatic with maximum accuracy, reliability, and speed. Software trend number 2: edge computing. It is expected that the market of edge computing is not going to increase by 2, 3, or 4 folds. In fact, edge computing global market is predicted to rise by approximately 28 times between 2018 to 2025. Software trend number 3: mixed reality. It isn't new. But the constant improvement in the virtual reality and augmented reality is creating new wonders every year. Hence, it is speculated that VR and AR are going to rock with their amazing abilities next year. Companies are investing in their own apps based on virtual reality development services. This is because startups and small-scale enterprises are following the giants like Walmart and the US Army. From training army to 3D gaming, mixed technology finds applications in every niche of contemporary times. Education apps based on AR are a new trend that is taking tech in education services to a new level. Today, AR apps bring stories to reality for better understanding and learning for children. The global market size for mixed reality is expected to grow tremendously in the future years. In fact, it is estimated to reach $180 billion by 2023. Software trend number 4: software architecture. Microservices will be mainstream. In the software architecture paradigm, the shift towards microservice architecture continued in 2019 as shown by Google Trends. As the industry moves towards cloud in 2020 and beyond, the microservices architecture will be more dominant. One of the main reasons for the rise of microservice architecture is that it fits perfectly with cloud-native, fast software development. Software trend number 5: the Internet of Things, connecting devices, enhancing accessibility. IoT has been a part of top software trends for long now, and considering its dominance, it will continue being a topic of interest in the next decade as well. This technology has already reached people's homes, such as Alexa, but is yet to reach its limits. Internet of Things is a group of physical objects, things, such as smart wearable devices that are connected and can transfer data over the Internet. IoT in software development opens a way to reliable, user-friendly, and secure solutions. It creates multiple possibilities for both developers as well as business owners. They can this trend to get an edge over their competitors in the market. Thank you.